What's good, guys? Quick vid today. I'll be installing some new wipers on my 335i E92. This works for E93s as well. I do believe the E91s and E90s have a different sort of windshield shape, different wipers. I got these Bosch Aero Twins of 50 euro, and they are exactly for the E92 and E93. Looks like from those production dates right there, although this just seems to fit all the cars from my understanding. Very easy to change out. You just basically pop them off and pop the new ones on. Alright, we've got the larger one on the driver's side over here, and the smaller one on the passenger side. We'll do the passenger side first. I'm going to pull it up a little bit, make sure you get some clearance for the hood. Pull it up like so. Next, I take this little cap off over here. It should just basically snap off like that. All you gotta do now is pull it towards you, and it should just slide right off like that. Other side now, putting it on is as simple as taking it off. You just simply kind of slide it on just like this. Push down, and you're all set. So you have a good time to paint up your wiper stocks and the little caps if you want to right now, but not a big deal. I don't think I'm going to do it right now. One thing I did notice is that the Vallejo ones I have in the car were actually a little bit smaller than the Bosch ones. I was kind of concerned about that at first, but it looks like they fit regardless. In fact, the Bosch ones actually just sit a little bit further back, so they actually cover more area of the windshield, which is a better design. As you can see, there's a little space over here, which would normally not get wiped, but these new Bosch ones will cover that area. So I do recommend those over the Vallejo ones I had on before. Very, very simple vid. Most of you probably don't even need this, but for those of you who do, here's the part number over here. A452S Aero Twin, again for E92 and E93. I'll put the part in the description below. That's it.